In the final episode, we install PQ Agent, the post-quantum cryptography log transport agent. This is a VRadar exclusive feature, protecting log transit from future quantum computers. Open the Install Agent tab and scroll to the PQ Agent section. Install commands for 3 operating systems are ready. Copy the command for your OS and run it on the device to protect. Once installed, PQ Agent automatically performs an ML KEM 768 key exchange with the gateway, combined with true quantum entropy from a QRNG source. From that moment on, every log is end-to-end encrypted with AES 256-bit. PQ Agent runs in parallel with the traditional Wazuh agent, not as a replacement. This ensures backward compatibility and dual defense. On the dashboard, logs from the PQ channel are tagged Transport ML KEM 768 in ClickHouse, easy to verify.